Did you know some oil rig workers earn more than many college graduates while getting 6 months of vacation time every year? Jake Morrison was making $35,000 working retail when he discovered offshore drilling. 18 months later, he was earning $95,000 as a roughneck with 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off schedules. Here's how this industry really works. Entry-level roughnecks start around $65,000 annually, but experienced drillers make over $100,000, and tool pushers can earn $130,000 or more. The best part? Companies provide free meals, housing, and entertainment while you're on the rig, plus they cover all transportation to remote locations. You'll need IADC WellSharp certification and safety training, but no college degree. During storm season and deep water assignments, workers earn bonus pay of $200 to $500 extra per day. The work is physically demanding, but with half the year off and excellent pay, many workers say it's the best decision they ever made.